Hi, I'm Krista with L2L Support. Welcome to this tips and tricks video on setting up standard work to be performed by your operators from within the operator portal or operator console. As you know, standard work can be a multitude of things, such as TPM, safety checks, 5S, and calibration. First, you'll want to make sure you are logged into your L2L instance and have access to create and edit documents, edit line settings, and edit production settings. In order for production standard work to show up on the operator portal or console, you'll first want to navigate to the line settings by going to Setup in the left-hand menu. Next, choose Lines. I'm going to choose this top one here. Now, you'll find Enable Production Standard Work. Make sure the box is checked. Scroll to the bottom and save. Next, if you want your standard work to pop up on the operator portal, you'll need to navigate to the production settings by going to the Production tab, More, Settings. Find Display pop-up when standard work is due. Make sure the box is checked and select Save. Now, navigate to your document categories from the Standard Work Documents tab in the left-hand menu. For my example, I'm going to choose Safety. You want to make sure that Production Standard Work True is enabled. Next, let's select Document. Back to the Document menu, All Documents, and for my example, I'm going to choose a safety document. On the document detail page, you want to make sure that you've selected areas, lines, or machines that you want the standard work to pop up on. Next, click View Checklist Template, and then Edit Template. You'll notice under the production settings that we have a standard work schedule type dropdown. This dropdown includes a shift boundary, repeat, and repeat daily. The shift boundary allows your document to be due or launched at an indicated time before the beginning of shift or end of shift. Repeat will set your schedule to launch at an indicated interval. Repeat daily is a selection of the time of day that you want the standard work to launch. For my example, I'm going to choose shift boundary, and I'm going to choose 10 minutes from the beginning of the shift. Next, you'll need to navigate to the bottom of the page and type in a short description. Save as new revision. Next, let's go to our operator portal and see if our production standard work is in fact there. I'm going to choose that same line. And there's my pop-up. If it wasn't time for my pop-up to happen, you'll find in the right-hand side all of the standard work documents, when they were last completed and when they're next due. If you click on Order Detail, this will bring you to the operator console. Here, you'll see I have one standard work that's past due. Clicking on it, I can launch my safety check. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. If you have any additional questions, feel free to go watch our other tips and tricks videos or reach out to us on our support site.